So I'm Dr. Matthew Davies from the University of Cambridge, and I'm an archaeological anthropologist, and I've worked with smallholder farmers in Kenya for the last 20 years or so, working on how they innovatively manage their landscapes, and particularly recording all kinds of diverse features of that landscape, including multiple land races of sorghum and millets. So biodiversity for me is about the interrelatedness and interconnectedness of different species with humans and with biophysical processes such as hydrology and soils. And for me it's about that interconnectedness and producing healthy ecosystems where all species within the system is able to thrive. Yeah, so I've been here this week launching a community of practice as part of ONET on crop agrobiodiversity. And this is a new initiative that tries to fill a well-known, well-established gap within IPBES assessments. We've identified that IPBES regularly comments on agrobiodiversity, but also there's perhaps not such a strong sort of science foundation for some of the work along those lines. And so we have decided to convene a network to try and bring together a range of experts, local community and indigenous knowledge holders, and various non-governmental organizations to start thinking about how we explore that knowledge gap and produce information that can be used by IPBES experts. So I've found the process of engaging with the stakeholder networks at IPBES a really profoundly exciting and welcoming one. Firstly, people have been incredibly encouraging to me. Being new here, I've made lots of friends and networks and connections, and it's given me a chance to network with Indigenous community members, with governmental and non-governmental actors to explore how the kinds of research that I'm involved in might be practically used and applied to policy. And I've been particularly excited by the opportunities that have been presented for social science and humanities researchers. So platforms like IPBES are often associated with the natural sciences, but there's a real drive, I think, here to get more social scientists involved, and I found everyone very welcoming on that front. And so I would encourage other researchers in the social sciences and the humanities to start thinking about how they might get involved with the stakeholder networks at IPBES, perhaps proposing new communities of practice to explore particular topics or angles from social science or humanities perspectives.